finally here. I'm still with my suitcase just right there. New York City, baby, we're here. So just landed from Paris. First shoot is in 10 minutes. Central Park to start with. This big weekend. I am a little bit jet lagged. I am tired, to be honest. But this is it. Let's shoot. First ever shoot in New York City. Let's go. Yo guys, so we just finished this first photo shoot in New York. The light was absolutely amazing. We changed plans about twice. We had to push back the photo shoot because my flight was canceled and because I was late, but we ended up having the better light. So the shoot was awesome. Yeah, tomorrow I'll be heading back into New York City, a different area of New York City, for a ballerina shoot, and then in the afternoon I've got 2 more shoots. But yeah, now it's time to eat and go to sleep because jet lag is starting to kick in. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is 7 a.m. right now. Just did a 5K to wake up. We are in Central Park. This is day 2 of the New York City trip. Whew, this is the weather. It's much cooler than in France. It's about 20 degrees Celsius. It was 28 at 3 a.m. when I left to the airport the other day, so it's much cooler. Still warm, but much cooler. I've got another, I think, 2 or 3K to run, and then we'll get onto the shoots. I've got 3 shoots today. So one is this morning and the other 2 are this evening in Newark. So let's get back home. Let's get ready for the day. We ended up doing a 10K this morning. I don't think I was really ready to run 10K. Not physically, but mentally. I'm still a bit jet lagged. Tired from the trip yesterday, but packing is done for the day. I'm gonna go get some breakfast because I haven't eaten anything today. Only have drank about a liter of water, so I need some food because after this 10K, I'm starving. Ouais, la vibe est cool, la lumière est super ici dans cette rue en plus. Ouais. Yo guys, so I am now in New Brunswick, which is in New Jersey, a little bit further apart from New York. It was really hard to get there because of the World Cup, so it took me a lot of dollars and a lot of time to get actually here. But I am here. I got here on time to shoot. I've already started the shoot actually, and it's we're gonna do the part 2 of the shoots with a second outfit. This shoot is more of a solo shoot. We're doing professional shots for Danny's business and some more personal shots as well, some dance stuff. The weather condition is literally perfect. The sun is starting to go down, so the light is really good as well. This second shoot of the day, because I did one this morning obviously, is going really well, and basically that's it. Let's continue shooting.
So gangster.
Okay. Okay, look to your left. And So the only thing I ask is if you look this way, just always look into the lens. Yes. Three shoots done, guys. This is the end of the Thursday for me. The rest of the weekend is going to be a little bit more relaxed. I am covering the event on Saturday. Tomorrow I've got one shoot, and Sunday I think I've got another one. So yeah, the three shoots today were absolutely awesome. Complete different vibes from one to another, and super grateful to everyone who trusts my work every single time. So thank you guys for working with me. Can't wait to edit some of the pictures. So this is what I'm going to do, and do a small preview on Instagram stories. And then I'm probably going to go off to bed. So today is quite a chill and relaxed day. Started the day with a coffee and some editing of Wednesday's shoot. So at the event, I'm going to be covering kind of the marketing aspect of the event, what it is about, what the experience is about here at Liberty Swing. And the idea is not to just photograph people, but to photograph the context, which is basically the surroundings, the area, a little bit of New York City as well, because it's not far. I mean, it's just a one train ride away from the city. So the event, if you are traveling and you are a tourist, or if you are not from the US and you're traveling to New York, then go to the event, or maybe the event then go to New York, you would have an amazing experience. Not to mention that New York City's energy is absolutely amazing. Yo guys, it is Monday today. It's right now 4 p.m. The event is over. I had a lot of fun on Liberty Swing. I am now going to do a photo shoot. This is the last photo shoot of the entire trip. The idea is to shoot kind of at sunset-ish and then grab my flight. Obviously, again, I had a flight cancellation, second time for this trip. So I'm grabbing a British Airways flight later, which is okay. This is the view behind, and this is where I'll be shooting most of the time for the shoot today. Yeah. Perfect. This was an amazing shoot. It was an amazing trip in New York City. If you haven't experienced the city before, it is absolutely amazing. People, the energy, absolutely. I really loved it, and I will be back. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.